Hey, Tech Guide Ninjas here. Hope you're having a good day today. So today we're going to look at how to permanently delete a Pinterest account. So open up your Pinterest account and follow along with me. So I'm on my main account page, as you can see here. So if I wanted to delete my account, I'm going to go into the top right-hand corner where it says accounts and more options. I'm going to click the down arrow. And from there, I'm going to click on settings. That will take me to a different page. And then on the left-hand side, you can see account management. I'm going to click on that. Then I'm going to scroll down. And right at the bottom, you have different deactivation and deletion options. So you can deactivate your account, which temporarily hide your profile pins and boards, or you can delete your data and account, which is permanent. So choose one of those. If you want to delete your account, click on that and your account will be permanently deleted. So I hope that was helpful. Please give the video a like and subscribe to the channel, and I will see you soon.